Hello, I'm Purple Teen. This is a collective reading. Wala pong specific zodiac sign, kahit ano pong zodiac sign ninyo. As long as nakaka-resonate kayo, this is also a timeless reading. So, kahit kailan nyo rin po ito makita or mapanood. Kung gusto nyo updated kayo sa mga ganitong klaseng reading, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube. Pa-like and follow na rin po yung aking Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. For personal reading, guys, send lang kayo ng private message sa aking FB page. Merong King of Cups. Either ikaw ay isang water sign, Aries ay Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you are dealing with a water sign na kapareho mo. Okay? So, pwedeng may Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so ang nakikita ko dito, you will be secured pagdating financially. Pagdating sa financial, no, you will be secured financially. At pagdating sa material, no, I can see you being practical, business-minded, wise. Pagdating sa pag-handle ng iyong career or kabuhayan. Okay, or kung may negosyo ka man. I also see someone na hindi agad-agad, alam mo yon, yung hindi pala gastos, no? Ayan, no? Four of Pentacles, no? So, as much as possible, kung talagang hindi kinakailangan maglabas ng pera, hindi ka maglalabas ng pera. Okay? You also have the moon, so maybe you are bothered, no? Kung ano man itong mga nai-imagine mo. No, it could be fears, insecurities, or emotions overwhelming you. No, there could be secrets or people hiding secrets from you. No, I also have a feeling na merong something hidden na mare-reveal para sa iyo. No, pwedeng in the near future or pwedeng dito sa present situation mo. Also, be careful of kung ano yung mga iniisip mo right now, no? Ibig sabihin yung pwede kasing may tendency na na may mga delusions dito or yung mga, sabihin na natin yung mga nagra-run wild yung imagination mo. Okay? Nag-overboard yung imagination. Okay, there's also a Magician card. No, you are manifesting what you truly desire. So, I can see you becoming successful. Kung uumpisahan mo to, itong mga pinaplano mong gawin, itong mga goals mo. And I can see you successful dito. Pwede kang may sisimulan. No, it could be starting a career or a business. Okay? Or starting a new relationship. Okay? So, ito yung mga nakuha ko. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Take care. God bless. See you all sa susunod nating reading.